Welcome to 103 Henson Drive in Waynesville. This stunning move-in-ready home has brilliant mountain views. This totally updated home is sure to impress with a chic farmhouse flair. It's nestled in the charming town of Waynesville, overlooking the park and recreation center, and just blocks from the quaint urban charm of Waynesville's downtown, with plenty of dining and shopping. Make your way inside to find a stunning open floor plan illuminated with natural light, vaulted ceilings, and windows filled with breathtaking mountain views. There are many desirable features in this home, including custom finishes throughout, shiplap walls in the kitchen and the hallway, granite countertops, breakfast entertaining bar, recessed lighting, and stainless appliances in the kitchen. The open flow of the dining room, living room, kitchen make entertaining a breeze. There is easy access to the wonderful outdoor living space, deck, and fenced yard from the living room. The beautiful master bedroom is oversized, has a laundry in the closet, and deck access. There is a fully functional apartment or in-law suite in the basement with a separate driveway and entrance. There's a new roof, new exterior paint, new flooring, new heat pump, and more. The fantastic outdoor living space has a fenced yard, gated remote entrance, lovely landscaping, a pond, and hot tub. Home is one you won't want to miss.